Welcome to the Screen Service channel. Now in Repair Apple iPhone 16. Remove the pentalobe screws. Separate the screen from the case. Swing open the screen. Unscrew the two screws. Remove the connector covers. Disconnect the screen and front sensor. Replace the screen glass. Check the operation after replacement. Thanks for watching.